This dream I had was around Halloween. In my part of the world where I live currently, children do not go out trick or treating, and so Halloween is a little depressing for me, having lived abroad for a few years during my university education. So, something very interesting happened in my subconscious. I was looking at toddlers walking around on the street like adults do, and I had a bird's eye view, but from the ground, from the street, or perhaps a very low, very short, a bird fountain. One particular street and POV.